Oh, sure. Oh, sure, no, it's a good decay. I borrow. So, I told you a booger man. I can't go. You talk to you a booger man. I can't have a koi ha. So, I told you a booger man. Go to the Wakameme. Talk of Latin Java. Atonya. Dai kao ko idea.
Vena mata questa story.
How do borrow sinati? Mid morning
So somehow.
No, so can see na ke ad libro body. Wakiruba noigua, she has a beautiful melody.
Yes.
Na veba no ai no de daga.
Ni akoroga roga muno thĩinĩ wa rwĩmbo.
Yes. Stacy.
No.
Oh, Stacy.
No ine. No gaizio. No garo.
Ojo no azo kiriere. Oko kuina kwatirere. Utatero boro rwa.
Itagwatiani.
Acha roro githeledi. Wanja asali. Odogo to ira na tamorogi. No, ne avie. Stacy hakunia kweso wakia.
Hayo kwa ad libs.
Ne avie.
Yes.
Haitore. Ditse no aguthe base jega.
Nataka hayo kondo kuingira kondo kuraihu.
Nataka hayo
kidogo.
Goko rungu. Goko wawe kira. Doesn't turn the lights down blue.
Yes.
Nie. Yene deho da kwa koina.
No ine. Hari rwimbo rwa kigosho. It's an oldie. Ni no ine.
Eroriko.
Jari kare boru ya roinago.
Romo tu specifically just one.
Hey, ne garu ina Mathaga festival. Mathaga festival ni tura mevaga. Yes.
Tangoja we'll see.
Ito didi. Kunari randani ni. Ina na wajoy. Akya vienga yo dama kiyo igai. When you are good, you
Wakwadirona nine homaga na ihenya. Birona.
Of course. Tried, proven, and tested.
Yes.
But take a success.
Yes, both Moini and the dancer.
Yes.
Wako hapo.
Kata can't sing.
No, Kata can sing.
Can he?
He was an artist, yes.
No, he used to rap, not sing.
But I believe he can rap.
By the way.
Nati Joru.
See YouTube.
Asa.
Eto giado.
We mwene aide uzi uploading.
Da approve ile mwene.
Alisema.
Da yeto kiria
Alisema ati aliziona hapo zikapotea.
Nitopata toshigwe.
Ainda ina boro ta ngombe. Ainda de ole matope na leruori de
ginyo modri waruna.
Hadururi.
Wainagira ngombe.
Twagira tie maundu maingi. Wale jono ka kuru dia dido inaga.
But you have the memory with you.
Yes, I want to sing it.
So homo kanto haitokia.
Hapo ni tiki. Mansai Mose. Yes.
Ina backup, of course. Yes.
Yeah. Ani ni zama dogita. Ukaze sama mukuha. Ukajira relax. Itie komia.
Makerea. Tena nu. Uno mo de kanora rosio. Manyujure. Doleke.
Ni Romansai mo.
No
way.
Aya, doleke kare rosio.
Pakanya.
Kwani ni kesho.
No. This is Beteka success.
I did not know.
Yes.
No.
I'm going to do a review.
He's a legend.
Tunakiru da kore ubai dai.
I did doctor.
Yeah, ni.
Brete kia.
No way.
No riri. Na thini wa rwimbo ruru ni riri. Uyu uraina na haha thutha nu. Doctor. Doctor by Mansai Mo.
Yes.
Kwa je mundu rasaje research by Mansai Mo Nkata.
No, it was the band Beteka Success. Yes. Nkata ali under the label ya Beteka Success. Niyo ya muiga na Nairobi.
Yeah.
Na ndio ali ba man hali afigitiri. Yo side house yake ali Vixen. No, the fox.
They are not Vixen.
Vixen is a female fox.
Yatiriri Ruiku. Todrona wa kanya.
Borotire YouTube because dara nyimbo cia.
Urauga Kata laina ri. Ni wera nazo sewa miaka na ite ekirite rwa mithese.
Kihige murango.
Yes.
Roroi.
Yes.
Wacha hii ke hadi shebeji here.
Now these are personal favorites yakwa ya Mansai Mo rwa doctor. Yes.
Rone riko. Kihige murango by Mansai Mo. Kete ko ineno nayo.
Kero di advertisement. The advertisement here. No, Mansai Mo is a season.
Yes, not even one volume. Not even one album. Yes.
Kwaje
Goja.
No, that is not this one.
Rone kihige murango.
Right, where I know happy how. Absolutely. No, it's not the one for doctor.
No, it's not the one. Ruaga video kadri YouTube. I see party. It is.
You did not know this song is Mansai Mo?
No.
It is from the legend.
Ni twari naga twisiana. But I didn't know the wake.
It's from Beteka stable.
Yes.
Wa Betesh.
Yes. Tokinyetie homoka.
As you know Tiki. Mzima anytime.
Tiki of course. Gaduke Mondo. Yes.
Naine tekinya koroga ini Facebook yo koroga.
Yes. Yes. Naine tena duti.
Na nakatonya ni anjara boro.
Mona.
Tena ni ui.
Niro nage kuinera. Koro nejoe koreare. Nongo kadige tobana.
Yes. Wakuni. Wakuni worship, I think. Yeah, worship. Yes.
Of course, our very own evangelist Wago Jiripo.
Of course, yes.
Oh yes.
The Daktari Manyari.
Excellent. Yes. Guitar and what have you.
Yes.
Paul production good.
I bet he's good in instruments.
On
kabisa.
A voice no akuhe lead.
Yes. Wagatoto. Hata maruta rwimbo na bebe yake by the way.
Wagatoto ni muini.
Yes.
Actually on a Tuesday worship we know the Dr. Sarake.
Yeah.
He's the person behind the sound lab.
Sound show the Sarake.
The sound lab.
Wagatoto.
Yes.
Sound. Can he sing?
He can.
Yes. He can.
David.
Yes. Dure kedre rwimbo rwake.
Nani ule twaha uke.
Munene oka otwonie rwimbo rwaku.
Oina kivugo.
Bebe yake itakuwa tia. Etagatia YouTube.
I was the MC of their wedding. Did you know that, Muthoni?
No,
she didn't. No, she was not here by the way.
No, she was. I was the MC of that grand wedding.
And I was msimamizi.
Amazing.
Yes.
Msimamdama inidhirie ro.
Tari ndara mbataki.
Oh, hi, nepotism.
No, it was a family and Kabeme affair.
Yes, and it was a very nice wedding. Tulikula.
Absolutely glamorous.
Oh yes. Sijaipata. Niko kwethera.
Ayanyo cha.
Ni tugire acha ni ne homa kana yenya. Tigana ke.
Oh yes.
Wagojiri.
I missed that song.
Yes.
DJ J. Actually DJ Yoko to DJ Yogi.
Pasweri. No.
DJ Nokwa. It's really going down here. DJ the Bull. DJ Paswari. DJ J.
Ma DJ reke ona toi nari. Reke mana kenyi bo.
I knew at the stable Sesamo.
Oh yes. Sesamo naine. No, Sesamo ginagero dara mari.
Saya ndo tuari. Na koino mako ivia nda ivire be. Well.
Okay, na
But the smallest wife can sing.
Yeah,
I don't know whether they can collab.
Yes. We can akiona ke video ine. All right. That 10 na dakika 19 tumetabunia kama mekayo.